come along and poke a hole in the bottom of my boat. But I've swam it 1,000,000 times, having to jump smooth off the side. I doubt you even had a clue who the hell you were stepping up to. Didn't anybody teach you that's not the way you try? I try, but I can't understand your lack of presence, your presence of demand, a thirst I couldn't satisfy, and you're wondering why. I'm not your endless shot from a bottle that never wanes. When I decide to leave, there's just no holding the reins, no holding the reins, no holding the reins. I tried to let you know forever wouldn't be in the script, but you had to have me, despite the shoe wouldn't fit. And so it is, I'm moving on, barefoot and fucking happy. No noose around my neck, no words that make me bleed, that make me bleed, that make me bleed.